Okay, Donald Duck and Goofy yes. Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse no. My brother is going to babysit you when I'm out. Okay then.
Well, Donald Duck and Goofy yes, Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse no. What should we do anyways?
Can we watch Cujo?
I'm sorry, Donald, but we are not watching Cujo.
What? Why not?
Because that movie is rated R.
Oh come on, it's not that bad. It's rated G, and everyone loves it.
But I watched the full movie, and it was worse than the Banana Splits movie in Willy's Wonderland.
Fine. If you don't want to watch it, then let's just do something that is not Wario and Waluigi yes Mario and Luigi no the series.
All right then.
Hell no. I'm not even eating this.
Six and a half
Mickey
hours
Mouse
late.
and Minnie Mouse no. Stop being a brat and eat your food.
No, this food tastes like dog food.
It's not dog food. It's tomato soup. So please eat it or you will not get anything.
But I still don't want to eat it. And it's worse than Krabby Patty. And plus, I want to go to Wario and Waluigi yes Mario and Luigi no the restaurant.
Stop being a spoiled brat. You're starting to act like Kayla and Little Brown Bear.
Oh, Donald Duck and Goofy yes Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse no. How dare you throw a tantrum now the soup is in the floor because of you. That's it. I'm calling your boss and roommate.
When P and Mickey got home,
Donald Duck and Goofy yes, Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse no. How dare you misbehave and your babysitter. But not only that, you also throw a tantrum because you didn't want to eat your soup. Now you acted like Little Brown Bear. That's it. You're grounded for 7 days. Go to your room right now. Why?